Hey everyone, welcome back to Travels Life. Today, we are going to explore one of the most beautiful countries in Europe, Portugal. This country is full of colorful cities, peaceful beaches, and wonderful views. Every corner has something special, from old castles to sunny coastlines. So get ready as we discover the top 10 most beautiful places in Portugal that will make you fall in love with this amazing country. Number 1, Lisbon. Lisbon, the capital of Portugal, is a bright and colorful city full of life. You can enjoy its narrow streets, yellow trams, and beautiful hill views. Famous places like the Belém Tower and Jeronimos Monastery show its rich history. The sunset over the Tagus River is just magical. Don't forget to taste the sweet dessert called pastel de nata. Lisbon is full of music, joy, and charm everywhere you go. Number 2, Porto. Porto is one of the most beautiful cities in Portugal, famous for its port wine and riverside beauty. The city has colorful houses along the Douro River and many lovely bridges. You can walk through the old streets, take a river cruise, and enjoy delicious local food. The Dom Luís Fir Bridge gives you one of the best views in Portugal. Porto has a calm and friendly feeling that makes everyone fall in love with it. Number 3, Sintra. Sintra looks like a magical fairy tale town surrounded by green hills. The colorful Pena Palace sits high above the clouds and looks like a dream. You can visit the old Moorish castle and enjoy peaceful gardens. The cool weather and romantic views make it a perfect escape. Sintra's charm, history, and beauty will make you feel like you are in another world. Number 4, Algarve. The Algarve is the sunshine region of Portugal, famous for its golden beaches and blue sea. The cliffs and sea caves near Benagil and Lagos are amazing. It's a great place for swimming, relaxing, or just enjoying the warm sun. You can visit small fishing towns and eat fresh seafood by the shore. The Algarve is perfect for people who love the ocean and nature. Number 5, Madeira Island. Madeira is a beautiful green island in the Atlantic Ocean. It's full of flowers, waterfalls, and mountains that are perfect for hiking. The capital city, Funchal, is colorful and full of life. You can walk in peaceful forests, enjoy ocean views, and taste local fruits. Madeira is quiet, natural, and a true paradise for people who love adventure. Number 6, Coimbra. Coimbra is a historic city with one of the oldest universities in Europe. The old buildings and narrow streets make it very charming. The University of Coimbra is beautiful and full of stories. You can listen to traditional fado music and visit the famous old library. Coimbra is a mix of young energy and deep history, a perfect place for learning and exploring. Number 7, Évora. Évora is a small city in southern Portugal, full of ancient history. The Roman temple and old churches make it very special. The white houses with yellow borders give the city a peaceful and warm look. You can walk through quiet streets, visit markets, and enjoy traditional Portuguese food. Évora is calm, beautiful, and full of culture from the past. Number 8, Douro Valley. The Douro Valley is one of the most beautiful countryside areas in Portugal. It's full of green vineyards and rolling hills by the river. You can take a boat ride or drive through winding roads for amazing views. This valley is also where the famous port wine is made. Douro Valley is perfect for relaxing, enjoying nature, and tasting the best wines of Portugal. Number 9, Abidos. Abidos is a small, old town surrounded by castle walls. Its narrow streets, white houses, and colorful flowers make it look like a painting. You can walk on top of the walls and see the whole town from above. There are small shops selling sweet cherry drinks and handmade gifts. Abidos feels magical, like you step back in time. Number 10, Azores Islands. The Azores are a group of islands full of amazing nature and peace. You can see volcanoes, lakes, waterfalls, and green fields everywhere. The island of São Miguel is famous for its blue and green twin lakes. You can go hiking, watch whales, or relax in natural hot springs. The Azores are one of the most beautiful and relaxing places in the world. that's the end of our journey through the top 10 most beautiful places in Portugal. From colorful cities to green islands and golden beaches, Portugal truly has everything. Which of these places would you love to visit first? Tell us in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy travel videos every week. Thanks for watching. See you in the next adventure.